sex determination is haplodiploid type. That means here worker and drone. Drones are haploid. Queen and worker are diploid. But haplodiploid type. Sex of individual is determined by the number of sets of chromosome is received. In the honeybee queen, 36 chromosomes are there, and in the drone, 16 chromosomes are there. 16, n number 16 to n number 36. N number, that means haploid. Haploid number is 16 and diploid number is 36. Females are diploid. That means 2n is equal to 32. And males are haploid. That means n is equal to 16. The females produce haploid eggs, that is containing chromosome number 16 by meiosis. You know meiosis, reductional division. 36 reduced into 16. And males produce haploid sperms containing 16 chromosome by the process of mitosis. Why? Males produces 16 chromosome already, and they produce sperms which are also with 16 number of chromosome. That is equational division, that is called as mitosis. Reductional division called as meiosis. If the egg is fertilized by the sperm, the zygote develops into diploid female. When zygote consists 32 number of chromosome, that will be female or queen. Females are two types, that is queen and worker. Depending upon what type of food get by the female, that female develops into either queen or worker. When queen develops, when larvae gets royal jelly, nutritionally rich food, that is the royal jelly collected by other workers, that time that larva develops into queen, fertile female, and another larvae develops into workers. These are unfertile female, because all the eggs lays by queen only. And unfertilized egg develops into haploid male. The eggs which are not fertilized, that eggs develops into haploid male, that is the drone, by the way of parthenogenesis. What is meant by this? There is no fertilization. Only egg without fertilization develops into males, that is the drones, and that process mechanism is called as parthenogenesis. Without fertilization, next generation is produced. That process is called as parthenogenesis. The diploid female get differentiated into either worker or queen, depending upon the food they consume during their development. Diploid larvae get royal jelly as a food, develops into queen. That is the fertile female. Queen is the fertile female in that community of the honeybees. Other develops into workers. Workers are sterile females. They only collect honey, pollen grains from the flowers. The duty of worker is collection of honey, pollen grains, is it royal jelly, like that way. Duty of drones is protection of the community of the honeybees. And duty of the queen is to only lays eggs. Here female by the process of meiosis produces two types of eggs, that is containing 16 chromosomes, and male produces the sperms. Male produces the progeny, that gamete, by the process of mitosis. When that egg without fertilization develops into haploid, that means 16 number of chromosome develops into males, that is the drone, by the process of parthenogenesis. If there is a fertilization, 16 plus 16 diploid females will be produced, and that diploid female either develops into queen or queen or workers. Okay, queen or workers are developed due to process of fertilization or combination. Drones are developed without fertilization by the process of parthenogenesis. Here sex of progeny is produced in the honeybees is determined by by the mechanism of chromosomal mechanism of sex determination in honeybees is haplodiploid type. If there is a diploid, develops into queen or workers, and if there is a haploid, develops into drones. Is it clear to you? Yes. झालं सर्वांना?